Good morning. We are live. All right, today is the 5th of May. Welcome back. We already got a move here, which you can see it happened really nice. Very nice move. That's for sure. Very nice move. All right, that's the 1 hour here on the left. And here I have the 15-minute. It was already telling me we have a diversion. The 15 coming up in this zone here in the area, and if you go down to the 1 minute here, you could potentially get an entry, but it didn't hit me. I was short 82.50, 1 point. I missed the trade, but that would be the trade. Very nice trade. All right, this is my account. I'm trading on BangX, Ethereum mostly, because you can see I have here 88 Ethereums. This is what I'm trading, and my leverage is 10x, long or short, doesn't matter. But yeah, that was the really nice move here. Heavy volume coming in, really nice. All right, so that's the 1 hour. Let's see if we have a setup here. Market is moving, that's for sure. And these are the 10 minutes. This is the 10-minute chart on Bitcoin, Ethereum, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Nvidia, and Tesla. This is what I'm watching. This is the 1 hour. That's my setups. If I can see a diversion hidden, then my indicator are telling me this. For example, this happens Asia open. Here you can see the flip. That's the flip. Plus we got a signal on a diversion that's hidden. That means after this candle confirmed, let me show you. This candle confirmed, for example. Good morning. So this is the first, that's actually, this is the Asia, yeah, Asia open. You can see here, this is where we got the flip. Yes, I know we have more signals down, up, down, but the important thing is that my indicator here told me we have a diversion. It's hidden, H, you can see that. So when this candle closed here, let me zoom in so you can see better. When this candle closed, we had an entry. So that was 2 in the morning, Paris time, because I'm in Europe, right? That was the entry. You could enter like this. And then stop loss is just going below the 1 hour candle. We have here 14 points. You can target 1-1, or maybe here this high from the candle, and you would be finished or done by 1-2 hours, yeah, waiting, and you will hit a 20-point win. Very easy. If you want to get a better entry, then we can go to the different chart. For example, here, that was, let me see exactly here, yeah. This is where it happened, from 2 to 3, right? Let me check again. All right, from 2 to 3, so that's 8. America. This is where it happened, 8 to 9. And then we can see, for example, you want to be really sure for the entry. Then this was the entry. This here. You see that? That's the entry. You really, really want to be safe. So it's 64. No, it was not this. Sorry, I'm mistaking. That was the entry here. So we don't have no signal, but the safe entry, of course, was here, the 5-minute low. Very easy, very safe to enter. And you could go like this, for example. You see this, it's coming really over sold, right? You buy it, you put the risk just below this strong candle, and you can target the high or 1 to 1, 1 to 2. It depends what is your style. But that was a very beautiful setup bull flag from the 1 hour chart. This is important, right? From the 1 hour chart. So yeah, beautiful. So if you now want to go more deep, where to enter, especially this 1 hour flip that we had here, then I will just go to the lower time frame, 2 minute, 1 minute, and see where it's this overbought, oversold, excuse me. You can see all these entries. These are all valid entries after we got the flip, 1 hour flip. You could enter here, 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 all those picks, enter, enter, enter. You could have more entries. You know where is your stop loss. So let me go to the 1 minute, what we can see. And the 1 minute, for example, that was here. We got very oversold condition here. Beautiful. It went up and it closed the candle 1 hour here. All right. So we could enter easy in this position here. This. Very easy. And our stop loss could be, of course, here, the previous low, or just the 1 hour low. So you have a lot of entries options here. You see that? One option, two options. This on 1 minute. The third option. Look at how this is oversold, oversold, oversold. Nothing to talk or think about here. Oversold. Look at that. Again, oversold too much. Enter, enter. And then when we got a clear break, which happened here, you can go out, for example. But you see the move. It's quite heavy and strong. That's what I want to see. All right, perfect. Let me see if we get any flips. Let's go to the 1 hour chart that I have here. What's happening? Bitcoin going down, Ethereum, oil up, gold back up, Nasdaq, S&P. Yes, no, they don't know where to go. All right. So let's go now to that was the 1 hour chart. I was telling you and showing you now potentially we could enter this trade. So let me just break this down now for you guys. I want to know now the previous day volume profile. So we will go to Monday. This is Monday here. I want to know the Monday level. It's closed here, perfect. This is from yesterday, from Monday, the volume profile. And you can see the point of control is here where I took the trade yesterday for 3,800. I don't know if you saw that, but it was from this point of control. And then from today, we will do a new point of control. All right, so we know what's going on the chart, and we can see already that yesterday we had here a cluster, a big volume zone, and today it's the point of control exactly here. That's good to know. So when we go down, we can see, I can expect the price to go to this. You can see here, that's you know, a gap order block. It happened here. So this is here a target 2352, and the point of control from yesterday, it's here. Okay, so what is the low from yesterday? It's this. That's the daily low. That's the daily low. That's the daily high from yesterday. Daily high. Let me put some music on for you guys. We need some music. Here we go, morning coffee.
Hey, if you watch my videos, but
Of
you're
course
not
I do.
connecting because the world feels crazy right now.
I'm watching your
I'm
videos.
running a live workshop next Saturday, May the 9th, only for...
All right. Beautiful trade. It will go now down. I see. Nice. Look at the volume. All right. So this is the chart that we have. I will put as well my anchor VWAP. So now I know from yesterday and today where is the VWAP, anchor VWAP I'm using, not the normal one. All right. You can see here, anchored VWAP. This, I love this one. So this is the zone I would like to see the price to come back, 357. All right. What a move. This is from last week. I will put again from the previous week, the volume profile. This is it. Here we go. That's from the previous week, and you can see here big volume zone, resistance turning into support. Very beautiful. You can see we got a wick coming into it and then up. Very important to know. And then the point of control from the last week, 288, which I believe we will not see maybe today, but yeah, what do I know? Great. And I want to know as well the whole of the month point of control. 2nd April, alright. Here we go. Beautiful. Where is the April 28? Beautiful. And that's the point of control, April month. So what I will do, I will do like this. This zone, it's the point of control from April. That's important for me. We need to know this. That's important. Okay, very important. And here we had the volume area high from April, right? But I'm okay with that. Very important to know this stuff. Great. This is what we did now for our charting. So perfect. Let me go back. This is our now. Bitcoin I will not do because I have Ethereum. That's already enough. I'm here watching the divergence, the signals that I'm getting. That's the 4-hour, and we will have a move down. That's for sure. We just need to take out this level, I believe, or this one, and then we will have, because you can see on the stochastic we are already overbought. Bitcoin very high, so today we have big news. coming. But I will not trade afternoon because I have to travel to Paris today. So no trading just right now with you guys, and then I will be gone. That's the 4 hour, and that's the 4 hour from Ethereum. Now if you trade my strategy that I have, you would know. Let me see, I have here the 4 hour, previous week high, perfect, previous week low, beautiful. That's for the previous week. We still have this, you can see it's beautiful. That was the weekly close, important to know. All right, that's the 4 hour chart, guys. All right, S&P pushing back up. What happened with gold? What a beautiful flip here. Look at that. Wow. Now, if you cannot see from this chart to take a trade, then you must be blind. Let me show you. We have here 30 minutes, right? We have the 15 minute. We have the oversold condition on 30 and the 15. So now, if this is not enough confirmation for you to enter a trade, then I don't know what it is. Because look at this. We have a positive MACD on the 30 minute, right? 1 hour, the 15 was not positive, but it was so much oversold that doesn't really matter to me for a move. Okay, let's go down to the 5 minute. What do we see here? Look at that. That was such a beautiful setup on gold that is just like crime not to take. Forget about the MACD right now, because we are watching the 30 and the 1 hour chart MACD. And when we got the oversold condition here in the red circle, and you can see this is on the 5 minute as well, you have to take this trade. You have to. If you don't take it, I consider this as a crime not to take it, alright? What a beautiful setup. Very beautiful. Let me show you oil. What do we have in oil? Perfect. That was the 1 hour from yesterday close, yeah. So Asia was just pushing down the oil, and now we have a push up. It's Europe, London open. So yeah, interesting to see. Heavy volume, yeah, in oil. Oil is tricky to trade. What's going on with the FTSE? Similar pattern to oil. That's natural gas. Nobody trades natural gas, I believe. Silver, I believe, is having the same pattern. And gold, you can see the same entry. S&P, see Nasdaq here. Nasdaq. All right. S&P. Great. I'm always watching S&P because the crypto is moving with the S&P market. I believe not every day, but most of the time, yes. So the 4 hour is still positive MACD, but we know for a fact that we have here some nice levels, right? Now we don't have a CBC flip. We had it in gold. CBC flip here, we could take it already uh, and that was a trade I would take, but I was short. So why would I take this trade, the 1 minute? You can see it's a 1 minute chart. In the middle it's the 15, and then we have the 1 hour. Very easy, because we have overbought conditions on the 15. Let me show you. That's the 5, that's the 15. It's clearly overbought. You see that? Let me mark this out for you so you will see. It's overbought. So I know we will have a move, a pullback. Now the 5, okay, I can see, but they are still trying to bring it up again. They did a new high, which we have here, and then if I see right now, because the MACD it's already here negative, you can see, I would look for a short, a pullback at least. And we have now the crossing on the 15, and now we can re-enter on the short. So if I go now back to this, I know we oversold because we are, sorry, overbought, my mistake. You can see that we overbought. Finish. Now at least I'm expecting a pullback or something. And here we go. The first one we could enter here would be a stop loss or break even, depends what you trade. And then this one was a very good setup, heavy volume pushing crazy down. We had a shock change of character happening in this area. It went up. I would enter on this fair value gap in this imbalance, but it didn't come for 1 point short, and I will target the next liquidity, which is here or the low, for example. It didn't go there far yet, but you can see how far it went down. 19 points, you risk 5, it's almost 4, 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. It went down to 3. Okay, I would target this zone, which is the high liquidity zone. You can see here on the volume, you see the green, high volume, and I would target that. And I believe it still will come down. So that's what I would trade. All right. I'm back. London opened 3 minutes ago. Let's see. What do we get here? The S&P is pushing up. What we have in the FTSE crashing down. Today we have big news, guys. Big. What's the German DAX doing? Okay. Wow, what a trade in gold. What a CBC flip in gold happened today. Beautiful. That's 7 a.m. Paris time. We got this beautiful 1 hour candle by candle flip. I showed you the entry before. That was a beautiful entry. You put your entry just, you go straight here, and you have to, because you can see the flip. And that was the over sold condition. You enter, beautiful trade. Positive MACD on the 30 and the 1 hour. You cannot go wrong with that, right? Beautiful pullback. Let me show you again the pullback. Let's go to the 5 minute. Check this out. Beautiful trade. That's the flip, the 1 hour flip on gold. The candle closed here. We got our pullback. You go to the 5 minute chart. You can see here the oversold condition. You really cannot go wrong with this trade if you take it. I hope you see the power, what I'm showing you here. That's the entry. You wait, you can enter on the first 5 minute green candle, which is here. You put your stop loss below the 1 hour low, and we had it here. That was the low. That's it. You would risk 6.4 points on gold, and you can target a high from the move. The risk to reward ratio in this case would be 2.28, which is fantastic. You risk $100, you make 220. You risk 500, you make 1,000, 100, whatever. All right? Beautiful setup. You need only one setup per day to make a living. And I'm showing you live right now the setups. You're welcome. Beautiful setup. All right, let me go back to the S&P because this is what I'm watching. S&P is exploding. Interesting. Very interesting. Gold as well. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe we get something this morning or not. We will see. But today we have big news. What news do we have? Unemployment change in Spain. How much is it? Better than expected, okay? Australia. Alright, as expected. And big heavy news today. New York at 10 a.m. You can see in my case it's at 4 afternoon p.m. Big heavy news, 444, and then yeah, big heavy. Oh my god, this will be spicy. We will have some fun, I'm sure. Alright, nothing else, but yeah, that's already enough. What is for tomorrow? Let me see. Italy, okay, that's for the euro. Then we have a 2 unemployment change for April. Alright, nice big news as well tomorrow. Canada as well. And then let's see for this week. That's Monday, that's gone, that's today. Thursday. Big news as well. Jobless claim at 2:30. Okay, and then Friday we have some news. I don't think so. Oh, we do. So just yesterday we did not have any news, but every day will be a lot of action, I see. Alright. Alright, so now let me see this setup. If I see here change of character with an imbalance, volume, I will take the short. That was obvious that we will have a reaction or support in this order block. You see this zone? That was normal, and here on the 1 hour it's all support, acting as a support right now. Resistance turning into support. That's why we had this on the 5 minute and 15. And now, if we do get more lower, then we will see that. But for now, the 5 minute, you can see it's overbought, but that doesn't mean it will go down. We need to see the volume as well. What is the 2 minutes telling me? Okay, we'll go up, and then the 2 minute could potentially signal, or the 1 minute here that I have, again a short. But we need to wait and trade what we see. On the 4 hour chart, what do I see? I need to first see a break, change of character, which should happen below this candle. But we don't have any setups for 4 hours straight. At least I don't have it. But maybe you do have it. Who knows? You can join my Discord, guys, if you want. I post here my daily trades. I didn't post it for a while because, you know, sometimes you're busy, you don't do it, or something else happens. But you can see I'm posting here what happened yesterday. Yesterday, for example, we had a 1 hour flip. People always ask me, What does it mean to flip CBC? The CBC stands for candle by candle. So if we flip the 1 hour candle, we have a candle by candle flip. Short CBC. This is how I call it. And for me, the most reliable is the 1 hour. Of course, you can get losses, and I get it. But look at that from yesterday. That Ethereum flip. We have here gold, outstanding. We have here crude oil, beautiful, 2 flips. You could go bearish and then bullish. And here we have Bitcoin as well. So really beautiful. I took this trade yesterday. That was the Ethereum on the 5 minute bear flag where I made my money. You can see we got oversold and overbought conditions here. Beautiful bear flag into the point of control of the move, and I took the trade. You can see I have some different material here, some to learn something, educational lessons, 1, 2 lessons about liquidity, fair value gaps, news, events. You can come, you can read, you can join for free if you want. I have here exactly explained it, my CBC flip, what it is. You just have to join, you have the link in the description. Alright, thank you. But I will share the link in the chat for you again. Here we go. Here we go. You can join if you want. We have a nice push back up. right now at the point of control from today. That's the Asia low here, Asia high. Let's see what I want to do. If I want to get to the taking out the Asia low. Gold crazy pushing up. Look at that. Wow. S&P as well. Wow, what a move in gold. All positive. 1 hour, 30 minutes and 15. MACDs here. What a trade. I didn't trade that. But look at the entry. I showed you already before the entry on the 5 minute here. Crazy. You wait for the first 5 minutes to close green positive. You enter. You put your stop loss below the 1 hour low candle. Or you can put it just here to really minimize risk. That would be 37, 33. You would risk 4 points. You could put on this trade 400 and risk, so that's 100 point risk. You target the high from here and you will make $1,400 with this setup. I mean, it's not that difficult. 1 hour MACD positive, right? Great. 30 minute positive. That's important. Plus the 30 minutes, look at it where it is. It was oversold like heavy. Then we got to push up, right? We got to flip on the 1 hour, which is here. And then you wait for a pullback on the 502 minute chart. You enter here. I don't know what else to tell you or show you, but if you don't take this trade, that's a crime. You should take it. And I did a crime because I didn't take it. I was not at the chart. Happens. I'm showing you that, guys. That's very valuable information. Ethereum pushing up. Great. So why I didn't take the trade? Very good question. Because MACD on the 1 hour is positive. That's the first thing that I see. Plus this candle. It's a big hammer candle. That's why I didn't take it. I wanted to see the reaction. And then when you go to the 15, we can see here was a very nice move up. So I want to see the 15 because it's pointing up and we are in the bullish trend. You can see the blue is over the orange on the last indicator I have. So I know we are in a bullish trend. So shorting that, risky. 5 minutes, perfect. It's overbought. I agree 100% with you. But now it turned into a positive MACD, which is like alright. And as well on the last here, it turned into a bullish trend. So that's why I didn't enter the trade. And now we see what we see. We will probably see the high get taken out for 391. You can see everything is going up. Just the oil is kind of a stock, but you never know with crude. So yeah, beautiful. And that was the idea that I had in the morning, but I didn't get it. Alright, let me wait. But like I said today, the market is big news, so we will see a lot of volatility today. Maybe not the European session, but starting, I'm sure, from 2 p.m. Europe time, so this is actually 8 in the morning New York. We will have a lot of fun, I'm sure. If you don't get like a heavy volume impulse short signal, that'll not take a trade. And right now, you can see the structure. It's just, high, high, higher, high, higher, high. You don't see any break of structure, change of character. You can join my Discord, guys, here, where I share with you my informations, my setup that I see, and that's the trade from yesterday. I took 3,600. You can join my Discord for free. You can see the traits, setups, what I'm looking for, what I see, and yeah, maybe you will like it. Let me share the stream. I forgot to share it. Let's go back. What a nice, beautiful setup on gold. Really great. Alright, let's go back. 83. Okay, now we have the 15-minute over bought, right? MACDs, I like it, it's below. That's the 15. Okay, let me see what's going on. 5. Alright, and now I need to see a change of character. Chalk. Change of character. The volume is small, it's not high. Yeah, we have like 30 minutes from opening pre-market New York. I guess everybody's waiting for that now. We have here as well the flip, and that was Asia, Tokyo Open. Beautiful again on gold. Yeah, beautiful. Let me analyze this trade in Asia. That's 2 in the morning. Let's go back. Here we go. That was the flip. Another flip on gold. So if you trade futures, you trade a prop firm or your own capital, well, that's your money here. So we can see it happened here. What a move, right? So let me go down to the time frame. Where's the 15? So look at that. Everything started bullish here. We have the 1 hour MACD positive. The MACD is this one, the first indicator. On the 30, positive MACD. On the 15 as well. You can see positive coming below the pivot, which means it's very, very strong. Then, what do we have? We have a flip. Great. We missed the flip, right? Okay. But then we can wait for a pullback to have a bear flag, which happened on the 15 minute, exactly here. That was 6:30 in the morning Paris time. Paris, all right? And check this out. That was the trade. Exactly here, that was the trade. You see that? That was the trade. So now if you go straight into the 1 hour CBC flip in Asia, you would enter here. That was the candle, right? This one. Now if I go lower, which I will go, let's go to the 5 minute. Let's see what happened. That was just a very strong move. You can see here, down, and then they tried to bring in people for selling, and they stopped them out. Went up back, and that was the opportunity to go back in. Was a little wick, heavy, difficult to go in on the 5 minute. If you check the 2 minute, let me see if I can get something. The 2 minute give us first sold position here. All right, was first here and here. You could go in. You have still your move, but it was small move. But the key was really on the 15-minute entry. What a beautiful bull flag! Amazing. Let me show you again the bull flag. Nothing here to hide. I'm showing you everything, my friend. That was the bull flag, right? Beautiful bull flag. And now we can see that was the entry, right? You go straight in. If you were at the chart trading, you wait for the candle 15 minutes to close. That's very important. You need confirmation, and then you can just risk the one candle. So it would be 4 points again. You risk $100 per point. That's 400 risk. You can target 1 to 1, 1 to 2. You see, or you can target a high from the previous move down. This is 3.6 risk to reward. You will hit it, and that would be $360 by risking 100. Nice move. Very nice move. Gold, beautiful moving. Beautiful. If you understand and if you know how to read the chart correctly. I'm not trading anymore footprint charts, order flow. I'm watching the pattern, MACD, the divergences, which happens here. Look at the gold pushing up. Crazy. Very strong. Wow. Ethereum pushing up. Great. We had a, see, big hammer candle. Everything. All the market going up. Just the oil going down. Great. Ethereum going up, Bitcoin, XRP, beautiful. The 4-hour chart, beautiful. Let's go back to the S&P, but beautiful setups in the gold, and I believe silver as well, because they are correlated. The same setup, look at that, the same, almost copy, look at that. Well, I just showed you, that was, yeah, at 2 IM my time. Nice flip, CBC flip. We got a pullback on the 30 minute and on the 15. And yeah, you take the trade. What else can I say? Another here opportunity, but you need to go down to the lower time frame, down to the 5 or 2. On the 5, look at that. I know it looks scary, but you need to take those trades. If you want to make profit, this is it. Don't be late to the party. It costs me a lot of money not to act on this setup, because you have the confirmation that you had a flip, right? The 1 hour candle by candle flip. And now if you go to the lower chart, to the 5 or the 15 minute, well, you can see it's oversold. And when you get this setup and the first green candle, enter in and just risk the candle, for example. That's for this case 0.2 points on silver, and you made your money. This is what makes me money, exactly this. All right, I'm showing you this for free. And if you know any better strategy how to trade, please share with me. I like to know, and I like to trade it. Look at the silver exploding right now. All right. You know, it's difficult for me right now to go in the trade Ethereum, for example. I had here the chance. That was here the low over sold conditions, but I just came to the charts over here, so I was I was late to the party. I came too late. 15 as well, just came late, unfortunately. What a move. The whole market is moving, not just Ethereum, Bitcoin. Everything, look at that. Wow, the FTSE, what the move. And the DAX here, wow, ripping up the German economy. 940, wow. Look what he's doing, the DAX. Crazy. Crazy. Natural gas down, copper up, the same like metals. Interesting. So they want to take out the high. Alright. Market is getting bullish. We will see 2,400 for sure. Let me take it out. Leclerc, bonjour.
Bonjour, il y a bien une promo made
Bonjour. I'm in France right now. That's why we see French advertisement. We have a nice, beautiful rejection here. Beautiful. What a beautiful move. Beautiful. Don't tell me I missed the entry. So I like the 15 minute. It's overbought. The 1 hour it's turning down as well here. The stochastic, which is good. We got nice volume here. You can see that. Maybe I missed now the entry. All right, let me see here the 5 minute. We will see a pullback, which let's see if I can get in this position. All right, let me see. In 4 minutes we have the pre-market New York opening. Let's see what can we do. beautiful rejection everywhere. You can see Nasdaq, S&P, gold, but the oil is going up back to $102. Come on, give me a entry option. All right, give me some opportunity. 6.5. We have all right. Beautiful rejection here. Beautiful. Everything is still positive. The MACDs. Don't forget that. So the 5-minute right now MACD is turning over. You can see here that's important. We have oversold condition right now. See, we will have a little pullback, and then we could enter on something. Will not come back to give me another option, another chance to enter the short. We are 20 seconds away from market opening. Let's see. $86.
Hi, it's Olivia. Check out my new song Drop Dead on YouTube and YouTube Shorts.
We are open the pre-market. Nice rejection. Nice, very nice rejection here. So we see here Nvidia will have a gap below. Let's see. Alright, I position myself small n with the limit order. With the limit order here. And let's see. We have a diversion signal as well on the 15 minute, which is nice. Let's wait for the pullback. Let's see if he will come to meet the price. I have my order in, my limit at 2,384. So I'm going to risk here $800. So I will increase my position here. I want to be more heavy in. It's a heavy push from the S&P. So I will cancel my order here right now. Heavy push up. I don't like it. Let's see how he will react in this zone here. pushing up. This is what I'm watching, S&P 500, how it's reacting to this level. So this is giving me an indication of what might happen to Ethereum and Bitcoin. See, we have here oversold, and now we have a push up. This is what I'm watching. The 2 minute, yeah. This is what I was expecting. It will go higher, the S&P and the Nasdaq. Very high volume coming. So let's see now how he will react coming to this zone. We have almost no volume coming in. You can see that. We had a big push down.
Hi, it's Olivia. Check out my new song, Drop Dead, on YouTube and YouTube Shorts.
We had a push down. What a beautiful rejection. I was short 84, but it could not hit me here. It was 83. I canceled my order anyways. My entry was here. So I will not be in this trade. But it looks good now. S&P still strong. And the Nasdaq. Beautiful, huh? I missed the entry, but yeah, we have a nice pullback. Look at the volume that came here. So I was looking for a fair value gap, and I wanted to go 84. It happened 84 on the chart, but not on my broker here. It came 83, unfortunately. But the S&P is still pushing up in the Nasdaq. It's a nice trade here. It could be. Yeah. That would be the trade. Maybe we will still get an opportunity. Then I will re-enter here. Look at the seller stepping in. Very nice. Very beautiful. Again, here they are reloading. Okay, come up. Okay, perfect. Come up, back here. Okay, come back up. It's not going down yet because the S&P and the Nasdaq are still strong. You see they're holding the price. I have here a diversion on Bitcoin on this candle, so we will have a pullback, that's for sure. The question is how we are planning to manage this. See how strong the S&P and the Nasdaq are pushing up? Look at that. So I don't want to trade right now, I guess, Ethereum because I believe it can follow. But if we see a big rejection on the S&P, then I know we go heavy down, pullback. Look at that, how close it came. Very, very close. Alright, it's going now down without me. Alright. Look at the move down now. What a rejection. Beautiful. Beautiful rejection. That was too much tight with my entry. And the S&P is still very strong, pushing up. Pressed. Now it's having a pullback.
Hi, it's Olivia. Check out my new song Drop Dead on YouTube and YouTube Shorts.
Alright, let's see if I can get another entry here. Alright, finished for today. I didn't get triggered here in this trade. Short, keep tight, should go here. Didn't go, would be profit 6 point. But yeah, let's see if I can get something else. Alright, take care. I'll be back, I believe Thursday or Friday, because I'm traveling today to Paris. Good luck.